Once loading has been completed, why can a tanker not sail away immediately without waiting for official paperwork? In some of the major crude oil loading ports, like Ras Tanura Juaima in Saudi Arabia, the early departure procedure is commonly used. Because of the huge quantities of crude oil exported through this port, numerous crude oil tankers call at its terminals daily. The need for quick turnaround is therefore considerable. Prior to arrival, the master has been approached with the question if he accepts early departure procedure to be used upon departure. The owners and charterers must be informed and accept the procedure to be used. When a crude oil tanker has completed loading and the ship shore cargo figures have been exchanged and found acceptable, the cargo documents certifying the origin, quality, quantity, and ownership of the cargo will be released. The master needs the official cargo documentation on board because it is legal evidence that the cargo on board is being carried in compliance with international laws. Working out the huge amount of data needed to fill in all documentation, like bills of lading, quality reports, ullage and timesheets, etc., takes a long time, and all documents need to be signed by the master and shippers. In order to save time and to avoid delays both to the vessel and terminal, all documentation already signed by the shipper is brought on board in ample time prior to departure by the agent, but the documents are without the quantity and quality figures specified. The master signs the completed documents and gives a letter of authority to the agent to sign the incomplete documents, such as the bill of lading, on his behalf, after the shore figures have been matched with the vessel's calculated figures. He receives his sets, and the remainder is left with the agent. The vessel can depart. Once the figures have been finalized and transmitted to the vessel, the final documents are completed by the terminal, and the agent signs them on the master's behalf. In addition to filling in the missing cargo figures and mailing them to owners and charterers, the agent emails the figures to the master, who then fills in his documents to be kept on board.